Marcus Aurelius was the most powerful man in the world. He could have anything, do anything. Yet he chose to live by three simple principles. Principles that gave him peace, purpose, and a life worth living. Today, I'm going to share those three principles with you. 2,000 years ago, Marcus Aurelius ruled the Roman Empire. He faced plague, war, betrayal. But in his private journal, a book we now call Meditations, he wrote about how to live well. Not how to be rich, not how to be famous, but how to live a better life. I've spent years studying Stoicism, and these three principles changed everything for me. They're simple, they're ancient, but they work. Let's begin. Principle number 1, control what you can control. This is the foundation of all Stoic philosophy. Marcus Aurelius woke up every morning knowing that people would lie to him, betray him, try to kill him. The weather would be bad. The economy would collapse. Plagues would spread. He couldn't control any of that. But here's what he could control: his response. In Meditations, he writes, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Think about your life right now. Your boss is unfair. Your flight got canceled. Someone cut you off in traffic. You can't control those things, but you can control how you react. Do you lose your temper? Do you complain for hours? Or do you take a breath, accept what happened, and move forward? This is like the athlete who gets injured. They can't control the injury, but they can control their rehab, their attitude, their comeback. That's the power of focusing on what you can control. So here's what you do today. When something frustrates you, and something will, pause. Ask yourself, can I control this? If the answer is no, let it go. If the answer is yes, take action. This one habit will change your life, because you'll stop wasting energy on things that don't matter, and you'll start directing that energy toward things that do. That's principle number 1. Principle number 2, put others first. This might surprise you. Most people think Stoicism is about being cold, emotionless, selfish. It's the opposite. During the Antonine Plague, a pandemic that killed millions, Marcus Aurelius did something extraordinary. Rome's economy was destroyed. People were starving. So Marcus walked through the imperial palace and began marking things for sale. For 2 months, he sold the jewels, the robes, the furniture, everything the emperors before him had collected. He didn't need those things, not when his people were suffering. He writes in Meditations, "What's bad for the hive is bad for the bee." Meaning, we're all connected. When others suffer, we all suffer. This is the CEO who takes a pay cut during a recession so employees keep their jobs. The athlete who restructures their contract so the team can sign better players. The parent who sacrifices their comfort for their children. Stoicism isn't about you getting ahead. It's about us moving forward together. Marcus says, "The fruit of this life is good character and acts for the common good." Not money, not fame, not power, good character and helping others. So here's what you do. Ask yourself, what can I do for someone else today? Not tomorrow, today. Can you help a colleague? Call a friend who's struggling? Donate to someone in need? It doesn't have to be big. Marcus didn't save Rome with one grand gesture. He did small acts of service every single day. When you put others first, you become the kind of person you'd want to be around. And that's how you live a better life. That's principle number 2. Principle number 3, remember, life is short. The Stoics called this memento mori. Remember you will die. Marcus Aurelius buried 6 of his children. He watched friends die. Advisors betray him. His health fail. Death was everywhere. But instead of making him depressed, it made him present. He writes, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." He's saying, don't wait. Don't put off the things that matter. Don't waste time on things that don't. Because life is fragile. And it's shorter than you think. Think about this. How much time do you waste scrolling? Watching TV you don't care about? Complaining about things you can't change? What if you only had 1 year left? Would you spend it the same way? Probably not. You'd call the people you love, finish the projects that matter, stop caring what strangers think. This is like Steve Jobs said, "Remembering that I'll be dead soon is the most important tool I've ever encountered to help me make the big choices in life." Death isn't depressing, it's clarifying. So here's what you do. Every morning when you wake up, say this: I could die today. What matters most? Not in a morbid way, in a motivating way, because when you remember life is short, you stop wasting it. You stop waiting for the perfect moment. You act now. Marcus says, do everything as if it were the last thing you're doing in your life. That's how you live with urgency, with purpose, with meaning. That's principle number 3. So let me leave you with this. Marcus Aurelius lived 2,000 years ago, but these 3 principles are timeless. 1, control what you can control. Let go of the rest. 2, put others first. Help, serve, contribute. 3, remember life is short. Act accordingly. If you live by these 3 principles, you won't just have a better life. You'll have a good life, a life of purpose, of peace, of meaning. And that's what Stoicism is all about. If you want more Stoic wisdom, subscribe. I post new videos every week. And drop a comment below. Which principle resonates most with you? Thanks for watching.